ready to become virtually unstoppable in Minecraft, because today, we're diving deep into the fiery depths of the Nether to craft the ultimate gear, Netherite armor and tools. Step 1, you'll need to locate what's called ancient debris, a rare ore that lies deep within the Nether. Finding this can be a dangerous treasure hunt, so make sure you bring solid diamond gear and plenty of supplies, including beds, torches, and potions of fire resistance. The best level to find ancient debris is usually between levels 8 and 22. However, ancient debris in the Nether can be hard to spot, and is typically found by strip mining, so consider placing torches to illuminate the blocks, and searching with a diamond pickaxe. If you have a good fortune enchanted pickaxe, you'll increase your haul from each found block. Once you find the ancient debris, you'll need to mine it. This ore has extreme durability, so only diamond or netherite pickaxes can break the blocks. And once you have enough ancient debris, the next step is smelting. Take your ancient debris to a furnace or blast furnace and smelt it down. This will turn each piece of it into netherite scrap. Once you have enough netherite scrap, you'll need to combine it with gold ingots at a crafting table to make netherite ingots. Place for netherite scrap and for gold ingots into the crafting menu to create a netherite ingot. Finally, to upgrade your diamond gear to netherite, place your diamond tool or armor piece in a crafting table and surround it with netherite ingots, and with that your tools will increase their power and your armor will increase its durability and protection from a range of attacks. Now get out there and conquer the overworld and beyond.